Hello, Esoteric Quality here. So what I want to talk about today is how do we improve the quality and access to healthcare? This is an issue that is affecting millions and millions of people here in the United States. Healthcare also affects billions of people globally. But one thing I want to touch on is access to healthcare. What I'm talking about specifically is that doctors, hospitals, and insurance companies are not providing blind people and others similarly situated with equivalent access to healthcare. And what I'm saying here is that in terms of health insurance paperwork or discharge instructions or medication information, that much of this information is not provided in accessible format, which violates the Rehabilitation Act of 1973, as well as Titles 2 and 3 of the Americans with Disabilities Act. I don't want to be one of those people that's perseverating on the problem, so let's talk about solutions. So, one of the ways to deal with this is to make sure that there are personnel and that there are systems in place so that if someone needs medications or discharge instructions or healthcare paperwork, if you need to send people that stuff or give them that, there needs to be processes for ensuring that the ADA and the Rehabilitation Act are followed. So what that means is that there need to be personnel in charge of making sure that the necessary auxiliary aids and services are provided. So if someone needs information in Braille, then the personnel that would be in charge of that would see to it that the Braille is produced with the necessary pertinent information equivalent to the print. The same would be true in the case of audio, in the case of electronic communications via email or other means, or sign language interpreters, or any other method that communicates the necessary information to the person so that they are able to have full access to healthcare. And so that's really what I want to talk about today. If we're going to talk about improving the healthcare system, we need to first look at how do we improve access to care, and then we can focus on improving healthcare once we have the access issue dealt with. So, like this video, subscribe to my channel, buy my Single Struggles of a Blind Man on iTunes, Amazon, Google Play, and Spotify and more. And feel free to comment and share.